Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how we can set any picture as a background on your Instagram chat. So is it possible? Let's go ahead and check here on this video. First of all, I just open the Instagram and I go here on chats. You can see there we have the background is completely dark, but we can change that by using themes option we have here on Instagram. You can choose any theme you want like this, and these all are cool. But you cannot set any picture as a background. So I want to show you the way about we can set a picture on the background of your Android device. But how? It's all very easy. You just have to exit from the Instagram. You have to download an application which is completely free. You can find it just here on your Play Store, and you can type Designer Tool, install that to your Android device. Once it has been installed to your phone, just click to open, and let me show you how we can set a picture. Go click to Mockup Overlay. So here we have choose the portrait picture from our gallery. Let me choose any picture I want to set as a background my Android device, and you can say I use Stranger Things picture. So when I just turn on this, you can see it just get the ghost mode. When I get back here on my Instagram, and you can see I can see the picture I set here on the background, which is the Stranger Things photo, and it looks cute. If you want to set any picture like this, follow these tips. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends.